Hi everyone, this is Patty Barr, Director of ICATER at the University of Iowa College of Education. I'm continuing our weekly app webinars today with an app called SpeakIt on Chrome. We've looked at it as an app on the iPad, and now today we're going to look at it as an extension on Google Chrome. So I'm in Google right now, and I've got an extension called Extensity here, and this is where I keep track of all my apps, and the one I want to look at is this one called SpeakIt right here. So what I want to do is just turn it on, and it's going to convert text to speech. So I'm going to just highlight some text and then turn it
Iowa
on.
Center for Assistive Technology Education and Research, ICATER. Welcome to ICATER, the Iowa Center for Assistive Technology Education and Research at the University of Iowa.
And I simply can turn it on and off. It's a pretty simple extension. As with other extensions, I can right-click on it and get to my options and get me out of the way. And basically, I can choose some different text-speech engines. So if you wanted to have a Google US English speech, this is where you can change your rate, your pitch, and let's just see how it does with that one. So let's go back to our ICATER site and see what happens when we want to read again. We'll read another paragraph.
Our mission is teaching pre-service and in-service teachers how to use assistive technology and apply principles of universal design for learning in their classrooms. Assistive technology helps students with disabilities.
So I can simply turn it off and on with this.
Our mission is teaching pre-service.
Except it starts from the beginning again. Doesn't highlight or anything, but this is a free app, and sometimes you kind of get what you pay for. But we've had good luck with this one. Again, we can go to our options here, or you can go over here to, some people call this the hamburger or the hot dog, and go to settings, and you'll get settings over here. You can go to extensions, and I always like to show a couple ways of getting here. So SpeakIt is right here, and I can go to options, and I'm back to that same place. So it's a little complicated to go to this, or if you can right click on it, you get directly to this. If I'm in just the standard SpeakIt voice, I basically have volume level. That's the only option I have. Or I think you can buy other voices. I haven't done that. There's a shortcut. You can enable speech to text feature. Never use that. You can make a donation to them, give them some feedback, and then you can share it. So really, really simple extension on Google Chrome that is often shown along with this other app, which you started to see. It's actually an extension. So let's go back here, and we're going to just turn this one off so they're not interfering with one another. And let's try select and speech. Select and speak. So this one, again, I can start it.
Welcome to ICATER.
Okay, we're going to stop it because somehow the speech got really turned down low. So we're going to go to options on this one, and this is where we can go to settings, and we want a female voice, and look it's all the way over here on slow. So I put it somewhere here in the middle, and let's see what we get next. So let's try speaking that again. We'll go to
Welcome to ICATER, the Iowa Center for Assistive Technology Education and Research at the University of Iowa College of Education is an assistive technology and universal design resource for the education community throughout.
Okay, so I didn't have to highlight, it just started speaking, And again, neither one of these extensions have any highlighting as you speak. You have to actually pay for that, which could be really beneficial for some of your students. But if you want just a quick and easy, free extension to read what's the text that's on the screen, it's not going to read everything on the screen. That would be a screen reader. This is a text reader. And so you've got to be able to highlight or move your cursor where you want it to start in order for these to work. But have fun trying these free extensions, and hope to see you again next week. That's all I have for today. Thanks for listening.